Amar Singh, who's joining us on the show, Senior Vice President Research at Angel One. Amar, hi, thanks so much for joining us on the show. Give us a sense of the moves that we've seen today. It's not surprising that today's trading session has been rather range bound. But where do we go from here? Because while we've not fallen today, we've not done incrementally much today anyway. So where do we go from here? Do you believe we are going to be stuck in a range going ahead for the next couple of trading sessions? Or is there some light at the end of this tunnel?
Yeah, I would say that definitely there's light at the end of the tunnel, but I think we still have some way to go, further way to go, because if you look at both on the technical side, so what we are witnessing, I've been speaking along these lines for quite some time now, that the intermediate term trend that's on the weekly charts, we've seen some very negative technical indicators. So those clearly point out that even if there is a pullback, sustaining isn't going to be easy. So higher levels are likely to be sold into. And what we saw recently was that the earlier low of 23,233, that was taken out recently. So clearly it shows that higher levels are being sold into. And also if you look at the macros which are driving the markets, be it the corporate earnings or the slowdown in growth, or the rupee depreciating towards record levels, and also the FII outflow. So these are some factors which are playing out on the markets. But at the same time, I would say that 23,000 should act as some support, but we are very close to that. Taking that out, yes, then we could witness anywhere between 400 to 600 points correction in Nifty on the lower side. On the upside, for any trend change, Nifty would have to sustain above the 23,600, 23,800 consistently. Then we could say that there is some semblance of a trend change. Otherwise, higher levels will be sold into, and it's going to be more specific, stock specific than anything else. What we are seeing, however, on the Bank Nifty is that Bank Nifty is also trying to find some support. So for Bank Nifty, the support is somewhere around the 48,000 levels. Earlier, Bank Nifty had made a low of in June of 46,000. So post that, this is the recent low, 47,900 or so. So 48,000, 47,800, 48,000, that's going to act as a support. But as I said, sustaining about the high levels, markets would look for some fresh positive figures. And also, you have the budget. We really don't know what much to expect from the budget, given the constraints in terms of the rupee depreciation and all that. So I would say one needs to be, but again, as the point is that yeah, we've seen some stocks correct significantly, so there's good buying opportunity as well.
There could be some buying opportunity also, absolutely. In fact, Amar, we were talking about it, that there could be a tight range in which the indices could move, the kind of action we've seen from the derivative space. And from your words, what we can see is that still, the market needs to climb that wall of worry, that resistance level to at least show one-sided move. But where is those pockets which you're talking about, where correction is giving an opportunity for viewers to buy?
Yeah, I would say that FMCG is one space. I think we've seen some positive momentum there post the sharp correction, because the likes of, I would say, name any of the major FMCG stocks, be it Britannia, Nestle, Colgate Palmolive, HUL, and Marico, Dabur, all have witnessed significant corrections. Now we are witnessing some sort of pullback. So these are stocks where there could be some fair amount of buying interest. Also in the auto space, I would say the two-wheeler space, there also we are seeing some sort of, I would not say positive momentum, but some sort of consolidation happening, be it Bajaj Auto or TVS Motors. So these are some areas. And the other sector, I would say, is the pharma space. Pharma space is one space which is doing quite well. Amongst them, if you look at Biocon has been holding up quite firm, and it's taking out some recent, I would say, highs. So sustaining above 380 is important. Sustaining over this level consistently, it could rally anywhere between 10%, 10 to 12% on the upside. So this is one stock one can keep a close watch on. And apart from that, I would say we are seeing some traction coming in the banking space, and that more so on the PSU banking space. So, but that is more, I would say, related to the news trigger which had come in with regard to the divestment. So I would say these are some sectors one can definitely keep a close watch on.
For sharing your market view as well as your sectoral outlook with us. On that note, we'll let you go. Thanks for joining us on ET Now.